Welcome back to Cook It Up. Today we are making the famous evening snack Girmit, that is from North Karnataka. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. Lemon sized tamarind. The same quantity I have soaked it. This for 15 minutes I have soaked. We will extract water of this. This is one big lemon sized jaggery. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder. Roasted gram powder. This is puffed rice, that is churumuri. This is only for one plate. When I will be explaining how to add for one plate, you will come to know. This is one big bowl of churumuri. These are also the ingredients required. This is half teaspoon of jeera and half teaspoon of mustard, that is rye, and oil for cooking. Now our vessel is hot. We will add oil to this, cooking oil, refined oil. After the oil is hot, we will add mustard, jeera. Let this crackle. Now before adding the onions, I had told these are 2.5 big onions. Out of the 2.5 big onions, I am taking out half onion finely chopped. This we will be adding at the end. So this I have taken out. So that equals, now this is 2 big onions. You don't have to finely chop. Roughly chop is enough. Now we are adding it here. Along with that, chili and the curry leaves. These onions have to be cooked properly. All the rawness should go. Meanwhile, we will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it properly. This onion should become little bit translucent. So till then cook it. If we add on salt now, the onions will cook faster. So I have added 2 teaspoons of salt, or you can add according to your taste. So another half spoon I have added now. This is half cooked now. The onions are little bit done now. Now we will add the smashed jaggery to this. Friends, this Girmit is a very special snack from North Karnataka, especially from Hubli city. This now I have kept it on medium flame. So the tamarind what we had soaked, now it has soaked properly. Now I will strain it. I will strain it another bowl and we will add it to this bhaji. I'm straining this tamarind. See, now this onions are properly cooked. Now we will add tamarind water. See, now this bhaji is of this consistency, but we have to cook this properly. It has to become half of this. Now this is the consistency. It should get thicker now. We will keep this on a high flame and cook it for another 5 to 8 minutes. I will show you the consistency again. See, now bhaji has come to this consistency. That is, after adding the tamarind, we have reduced it to half. So this is the consistency required. Now we will put off the gas. As I always say, still the cooking process will be on as the bhaji is still hot. So again it will be reduced for another, the thickness will become more after it has cooled off. We will leave it to cool for 15 minutes. It is very important to cool this, otherwise the girmit what we were preparing, we will not get the exact crispiness and the taste. So we will leave it to cool off. Meanwhile, we will do another important churmare, or popularly also known as mandakki. So until our bhaji cools off, we will dry roast this. This is a very important thing because the churmare what we bring for market are always exposed to air, so the crispiness won't be there. So we will first dry roast this. I have taken a non-stick kadai. See, I am telling you, I am roasting this only for one plate. That is for only one person. First we will make this girmit only for one plate. Okay, what bhaji we have made, that is, from that bhaji we can make 4 to 5 plates of girmit, but we will not add all together. So that first we will only dry roast only for one plate. If you want, you can dry roast for 5 plate also. This girmit tastes very good with evening chai and mirchi, that sometime we will make. Okay. Dry roasting churmures makes our snack very nice. So please don't skip this. Many people don't know about this. They don't dry roast it. That's why we don't get the taste of street side what they do. While roasting this, just keep it on medium low or even low, because these are very tender. So you can see the crispiness when we are after frying. This is the crispiness. So if you keep it on high flame or keep roasting it for very long, then the chances of getting burned. So we don't want that. So we will leave it to this now. So you can see the noise. These are crispy enough now. See, after 10 minutes this has cooled off, and also this is reduced in consistency. Now the bhaji has become little more thick. You can see this. This bhaji we can make out of this 5 plates of girmit, but I will only show for one plate now. Always don't mix the whole bhaji with all the 5 plates of girmit, that is churmure. we will only first always prepare for one plate only. Okay, that is very important. Take a separate vessel, little bit round shape. For one plate of girmit, this is the required churmure. This churmure which we had dry roasted have cooled off now. So now we will add the bhaji. As I said, this bhaji we can prepare for 5 plates. Now required only 1/5 or 1/4 bhaji we will add. See, this is 1 spoon I have added. Again 1/4 spoon. We will mix it properly. This is the important step in this. You have to mix it in this way. So we are not mixing it in any kadai. Take a vessel, round vessel, and mix it in this way. You must have seen at the roadside they'll be making a noise of this sort, and everybody will be very thrilled to eat that girmit. So you can make the same way at your home. I hope you people are enjoying. Now mix this properly. Now we will be adding roasted gram powder. If you don't know what is roasted gram, this is the roasted gram, it also known as potani. Of this I have made powder. So this is roasted gram powder. We will be adding 1.5 teaspoon of roasted gram powder. This gives a very nice good taste and binding to the bhaji. Now we will be adding tomatoes. I will be mixing it along with this bhaji. If you wish, you can add at the end also, but adding it here will be getting a good mix. Little bit of coriander, finely chopped coriander. You know, you can get the required texture. Now we are done. Now we will plate this girmit. This is very tasty, so you can have enough quantity. So what they give in the market is usually of this quantity. This one plate what I had prepared, that is quite enough. We will be adding the raw onions which we had taken out at the beginning, just half teaspoon, and shape. So make it at your place and enjoy it. So this remaining bhaji, again same like this, we can make another 4 plates, and this all we can use onions, coriander, tomato, roasted gram flour. This will be enough for another 4 plates. So in the same process, again dry roast the churmure, wait for until it becomes cool, little bit cool, then again add all this, and same again we can make another 4 plates.